Our today's topic is respiration. Tanya, what do you mean by respiration? Firstly, you let me know. After that, I will start the topic.
Uh, Respiration, cellular respiration is the process of using oxygen and nutrients to obtain energy.
Hmm. And in respiration, the basic function, what is the basic function? We
Ma'am,
inhale.
yes, ma'am. Inhale and exhale
So, which gas we inhale?
oxygen and we release
And
carbon
what
dioxide.
this oxygen do inside our body?
Um, it provides energy when it's transported to the cells.
Huh. And how it is transported to the cell?
Um, when the oxygen goes into the lungs and reaches alveoli. Through the blood vessels, it's transported
Hmm.
to
Actually,
all the cells of the
huh.
body.
But
It
we,
is
hmm.
carried by hemoglobin in
Huh.
blood.
Yes, carried by hemoglobin. But how it reaches to blood? When oxygen reacts with food,
Huh.
it form carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay, and this energy is consumed by each and every part of the body, that is cell, each and every cell. And how it reaches to each cell? With the help of blood. And you told me correctly that hemoglobin combines with blood
To
to
form
make,
oxyhemoglobin.
which goes throughout the body. Actually, each and every single cell needs blood. Okay, write down topic name: respiration. Respiration.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in respiration, write down gaseous exchange
Ma'am.
gaseous exchange means intake of
Oxygen,
and exhale of.
carbon dioxide.
Intake of oxygen from the atmosphere,
Yes, ma'am.
intake of oxygen from the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide gas is exhaled. Can you tell me the test for the carbon dioxide?
Ma'am, when we exhale into the lime water solution,
Hmm.
it will turn milky as there is carbon dioxide exhale.
Huh. And what is the formula of lime water?
Uh, I forgot now.
This is quick lime is CaO. As we are taking lime water, it is CaOH whole twice.
Hmm.
And when it reacts with carbon dioxide, it's formed calcium carbonate.
Hmm.
Calcium carbonate, which is white, sorry, milky, like white in color. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, read activities 6.4 and 6.5.
Take some freshly prepared lime water in a test tube. Blow air through this lime water. Note how long it takes for the lime water to turn milky. Use a syringe or pitchkari to pass air through the same fresh to some fresh lime water taken in another test tube. Notice how long it takes for this lime water to turn milky. What does this tell us about the amount of carbon dioxide in the air that we breathe out?
Are you okay with it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
some fresh lime water taken in another test tube. It takes for this time water to turn milky. Actually, Tanya, what happens as we exhale? So there is also some concentration of oxygen. We inhale, there is some concentration of carbon dioxide. Actually, we are inhaling from the air of atmosphere. Hmm?
Hmm.
So in atmosphere, all airs are present.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we inhale, what happens? Concentration of oxygen reacts with food, but we inhale complete air. Are you getting the point? And
Hmm.
in during the inhalation, concentration of oxygen is more. During the exhalation, concentration of carbon dioxide is more.
Yes, ma'am.
Now activity 6.5.
Take some fruit juice or sugar solution and add some yeast to this. Take this mixture in a test tube fitted with a 1 hole cork. Fit the cork with a bent glass tube. Dip the free end of the glass tube into a test tube containing freshly prepared lime water. What change is observed in the lime water and how long does it take for this change to occur?
What does this tell us about the products of fermentation? Okay, I will tell you. Firstly, read it. After that, I will let you know about the fermentation. We have discussed.
Ma'am, there will be carbon dioxide as a product in
Yeah,
fermentation.
yes.
Ma'am,
Fermentation.
this topic came for exam digestion and respiration. So I studied this.
Okay. No problem. But we will complete
Yes,
it.
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue.
We have discussed nutrition and organisms in the last section. The food material taken in during the process of nutrition is used in cells to provide energy for various life processes. Diverse organisms do this in different ways. Some use oxygen to break down glucose completely into carbon dioxide and water. Some use other pathways that do not involve oxygen. In all cases, the first step is a breakdown of glucose, a 6 carbon molecule, into pyruvate, a 3 carbon molecule. This process takes place in the cytoplasm. Further, the pyruvate may be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This process takes place in yeast during fermentation. Since this process takes place in the absence of air, it is called anaerobic respiration. Breakdown of pyruvate using oxygen takes place in the mitochondria. This process breaks up the 3 carbon pyruvate molecule to give 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. The other product is water. Since this process takes place in the presence of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. The release of energy in aerobic respiration is a lot greater than in anaerobic process. Sometimes, when there is a lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, another pathway for the breakdown of pyruvate is taken. Hence, here the pyruvate is converted into lactic acid, which is also a 3 carbon molecule. This buildup of lactic acid in our muscles during sudden activity causes cramps.
Hmm. So here, actually, what we studied here, it's summary. Glucose is 6 carbon molecule. Can you tell me the formula of glucose?
Um,
Glucose simple C6H12O6.
okay.
In cytoplasm, can you tell me what is cytoplasm?
It is a part of the cell.
Yes, it is the part of the cell. It is the part of the cell. If absence of oxygen, in absence of oxygen, where it takes place in yeast, and what will be formed? Ethanol, carbon dioxide, energy. You know the formula of carbon dioxide, but don't know the formula of ethanol?
No, ma'am.
No problem, but we will not learn it as these are not in our syllabus.
Yes.
We only learn that we will get ethanol, which is 2 carbon molecule, carbon dioxide and energy.
Mm.
In lack of oxygen in our muscle cell, lactic acid and energy. And lactic acid is 3-carbon molecule. This is in our muscle cell when there is lack of oxygen. Presence of oxygen in mitochondria. Mitochondria,
Aerobic respiration.
yes, this is also known as powerhouse of the cell, and we will get carbon dioxide, water and energy.
Energy.
One more thing, Tanya, I want to say, during exercise we feel cramps in our muscle
Yes, ma'am.
because this is due to the lack of oxygen, and lactic acid is formed during this respiration.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to prepare this chart for your notes. Please
Ma'am, I
confirm
can do it quickly now.
right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is a Krebs cycle?
What is the?
Krebs cycle.
We done it.
This is the Krebs cycle.
Krebs cycle.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to confirm. Tanya, your teacher told you?
Uh, she said she talked about it. I thought it was an advanced topic related to this itself.
Maybe. Maybe advanced topic. I will confirm. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the breakdown of glucose is called glycolysis.
Breakdown of glucose.
Is it known as glycolysis?
Glycolysis. This is correct.
Done, ma'am. Mom?
Yes, yes. Tanya, you told me Krebs cycle.
Yes, mom.
Uh, can you tell me the spelling? Huh.
KREB.
SBS. Tanya, it is not related to respiration. It is different cycle.
Oh, I don't know why she mentioned it then.
I tell you, I just checked it because I didn't hear about it during respiration. Glycolysis is correct, but Krebs cycle, it is also known as citric acid cycle.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, mom.
okay. I will tell you. Wait. You are correct. It is also known as citric acid cycle, or TCA is a chain of reactions occurring in the mitochondria. You are correct. Through
Oh,
which almost all living cells produce energy in aerobic respiration. If you want, you can write it down. But this is not the part of the syllabus.
okay, mom. I'm
But
making more.
correct. This is also known as citric acid cycle, but this is the chain of the reactions which takes place in mitochondria.
Oh,
Okay,
yes, mom.
so we done this chart. In this chart, what we have done, you have chart with you, which you prepared just now. So I will tell you about the theory, what we have done. Wait, a second. What happened to it? It was a second. It's showing some problem. Tanya, you start to read from here. The energy.
The energy released during cellular respiration is immediately used to synthesize a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, which
ATP.
is
Very
used
good.
to fuel all other activities in the cell. In these processes, ATP is broken down, giving rise to a fixed amount of energy, which can drive the endothermic reactions taking place in the
In the
cell.
cell. So energy released during cellular respiration. The energy release होती है during the cellular respiration. This synthesize a molecule which is called ATP, which is used to fuel. Fuel means our body activity also need fuel. So this fuel is ATP. In these processes, ATP is broken down, giving rise to a fixed amount of energy. We get energy,
Yes, ma'am.
and which can drive the endothermic reactions taking place in the cell. Endothermic reactions, the reactions. Yes. Tanya, endothermic
Uh,
reactions means
I know exothermic release heat.
endothermic reactions are the reactions which
Absorb heat,
absorb
heat and energy.
energy. Tanya, we will say energy. This energy may be in the form of heat, but the
Oh,
correct word is energy. In exothermic, energy is released. So this released energy may be in heat, sound energy. Sometimes we get spark during the reaction. Are you getting?
yes, ma'am.
But endothermic, when energy is absorbed. Exothermic, when energy is released.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait, I am sharing my screen. Actually, it was showing some problem. That's why I closed the OneNote. I am sharing. So we done about the respiration, which gas is eliminated during the respiration, and what
Uh,
happened during the respiration. How many types of respiration we studied? Aerobic and
anaerobic.
anaerobic. What is the difference between them?
In aerobic, the breakdown of glucose happens in the presence of oxygen, and in anaerobic, it takes place without oxygen.
Oxygen. So Tanya, what we made a chart. We will study these lines again, and we will observe the chart. You have chart with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have discussed nutrition in the last section. The food material taken in during the process of nutrition is used in cells to provide energy for various life processes.
Yes.
Diverse organisms do this in different ways. Some use oxygen to break down glucose completely into carbon dioxide and water.
Water.
Some use other pathways that do not involve oxygen.
Oxygen.
In all cases, the first step, but the first step is fixed, is the breakdown of glucose, a 6 carbon molecule, into a
Into
3 carbon
pyruvate.
molecule called, this 3 carbon molecule called
Pyruvate.
pyruvate. This process takes place in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, which is present inside the cell.
Yes,
Further, the pyruvate may be converted into ethanol and carbon
carbon dioxide.
dioxide. Okay, ethanol is 2 carbon molecule. This process takes place, and this process, when it is converting into ethanol and carbon dioxide, takes place in yeast during fermentation. Thania, by fermentation, which food is formed? Can you tell me any food item which is formed by the process of fermentation, where we
Curd.
use curd? Okay.
Rice.
Rice.
Not, no, that is for something else, not for
Its
eating.
best example is idli,
Oh, right.
bhatura, dhokla. They are fermented. So during the fermentation, ethanol and carbon dioxide is formed. That's why they appear fluffy.
Uh,
This process takes place in yeast during fermentation. Achha, in the absence of oxygen, it is called anaerobic respiration. After that, what happens? Pyruvate, which is 3 carbon molecule, its breakdown takes place in mitochondria. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
and here the other product is water. Since this process takes place in the presence of air, then it is called aerobic respiration. The release of energy in this aerobic process is lot greater than the anaerobic process. Means in aerobic respiration we get a lot of energy in comparison to anaerobic respiration. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
And when there is a lack of oxygen in our muscle cell, another pathway for breakdown of pyruvate is taken. Here the pyruvate is converted into lactic acid, which is also a 3 carbon molecule.
Okay.
This buildup of lactic acid in our muscle cell during sudden activity and causes cramps.
Cramps.
Are you okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, now you read this chart again, and after that I will start new topic.
Yes, ma'am. Glucose, a 6 carbon molecule in the cytoplasm, breaks down into pyruvate, which is a 3 carbon molecule plus energy. In the absence of oxygen, pyruvate breaks down into ethanol and carbon dioxide and releases energy. There is a 2 carbon molecule. This takes place in yeast. In the presence of oxygen, pyruvate breaks down in the mitochondria into carbon dioxide and water and releases energy. When there is a lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, pyruvate breaks down into lactic acid, which is also a 3 carbon molecule, and releases energy.
Ah, so you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Thania, so fermentation is aerobic respiration, anaerobic?
Anaerobic. Ma'am.
Anaerobic. Very good. ATP we studied, now we'll do more to know. ATP, energy, which we get. Now read down ATP. Sorry, read it.
ATP is the energy currency for most cellular processes. The energy released during the process of respiration is used to make an ATP molecule from ADP, an inorganic phosphate.
Thania,
Then what is the full form
ADP,
of ADP?
adenosine diphosphate, di, and T is for tri.
Yes.
So when ADP is added to phosphate molecule, the presence of energy, it we will get ATP, adenosine triphosphate.
Okay, ma'am.
Read it. Endothermic processes. And here energy is taken or given?
Taken.
Taken. So that's why it is called.
Endothermic process. Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
only after ATP is produced we have energy.
yes. ATP, energy currency.
So before it is formed with ADP, there is also some amount of energy, right?
Some amount of energy, but for,
That is being used to give ATP.
yes, that ADP combines with phosphate and takes some energy to give ATP, and then we get a lot of energy to do our daily work.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Endothermic processes in the cell then uses ATP to drive the reactions. When the terminal phosphate linkage in ATP is broken using water, the energy equivalent to 30.5 kilojoules
Hmm.
MOL
30.5 kilojoule per mole is released.
oh, per mole is released.
Hmm.
Think of how a battery can provide energy for many different kinds of uses. It can be used to obtain mechanical energy, light energy, electrical energy, and so
So
on.
on.
Similarly, ATP can be used in the cells for the contraction of muscles, protein synthesis, conduction of nervous impulses, and
And
many
many
other
other
activities.
activities. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here what they are saying, that we are getting energy from battery. So we can use it as mechanical energy, light energy, electrical energy, and so on, many types of energy. So similarly for ATP, different working. Okay, get energy from ATP.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, are you completely okay with it, with all the topics
Yes, ma'am.
hidden to here? Tanya, now we will write a topic, difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration.
Respiration.
Write down heading, difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration.
Should I draw a table, ma'am?
Yeah, we will do it in the form of table.
I drew the table, ma'am.
Okay, at one column write down the heading aerobic respiration. Here aerobic respiration, and here anaerobic respiration.
Written, ma'am.
Okay, first point of aerobic respiration. Can you tell me the first point?
Takes place in the presence of oxygen.
Takes place in the presence of oxygen. Same first point of anaerobic takes place in the absence of
Absence of oxygen.
oxygen. Very good. Write down.
None, ma'am.
Next, aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria and anaerobic in cytoplasm.
Written, ma'am.
Third point of aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, what are end products? Can you tell me?
Carbon dioxide and water
Water.
and energy zone.
Yes. And energy point we will write in next line, here you write down only end products are carbon dioxide and water. End products are carbon dioxide and water.
Written, ma'am, for both.
And in anaerobic, what you will write?
Ethanol and carbon dioxide.
Ethanol, lactic acid also. Actually, when there is cramp in muscles, lactic acid is formed, which is due to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
lack of oxygen. So write down end products of anaerobic respiration.
Written, ma'am.
What we have written? End products.
Ethanol.
Ethanol. Thania, you can write the word ethanol or you can write the word alcohol, because general name of ethanol is alcohol.
Oh,
Ethanol or lactic acid.
okay. Ma'am, next point.
Next point, more energy is released during aerobic respiration. More amount of energy. More amount of energy is released during aerobic respiration. Less amount of energy is released during anaerobic respiration. So how many points we have written during aerobic and anaerobic respiration?
4 points, ma'am.
4 points we have written. One more thing, Tanya.
Yes.
It will depend upon the marking of the question, how you will give. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
If they will, here example you can also give. We are not
Okay,
writing
ma'am.
it again. We have already done it in chart which we prepared. Okay. And if you want, listen to me very carefully. If you want to add one more point, suppose 2 or 3 mark question you are getting. So for an aerobic respiration, wait, firstly I will erase all the things, then I will explain. No need to write it here, but you have to understand. For aerobic respiration, you can give these points. Not aerobic, anaerobic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And for aerobic respiration, you can give these points.
No.
Okay.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are not writing it again, but in examination, you write it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Tanya? So are you completely okay till now?
Yes, ma'am.
And Tanya, can you explain me what is diffusion?
Diffusion is the movement of a substance from a region of higher concentration to
Very
lower
good. Lower.
concentration.
So when we inhale, oxygen goes inside, because in our cell there is lack of oxygen.
Yes, ma'am.
And when
Then again, there's a difference of oxygen concentration in the outside environment and in the cell.
yes,
So, again, it
and
goes up.
during exhalation, what happens?
We release carbon dioxide.
Because when oxygen reacts with glucose, carbon dioxide is formed.
Formed.
Then there is more concentration of carbon dioxide inside the body, due to which it is exhaled due to with the help of diffusion.
Yes, ma'am. So it exits out of the cell due to diffusion, but
Yes,
then it carried again by blood, like in the dissolved form, and then we exhale it.
No, it is due to diffusion. Actually, oxygen combines with hemoglobin and it runs throughout the body, but carbon dioxide exhaled out due to diffusion.
Oh,
Oxygen also diffusion. Actually, Tanya, when it is going from outside to inside, this process is diffusion.
like only when it enters the cell and exits the cell, right,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes. Only
Because
that
in
point.
because it's written that if the whole process were to be done by diffusion, it would take a very long time for
Very long
oxygen
time.
to reach all the
Yes,
cells.
yes, yes. If you know each and
That's
every
why we
cell.
have.
No, no, what? Listen to me. What happens when we inhale oxygen? Okay, there is blood in circular system. We will study. In lungs, there is blood. So, with the help of diffusion, this oxygen goes inside the blood and reacts with hemoglobin. Now, oxyhemoglobin is prepared,
Yes, ma'am.
and this oxyhemoglobin runs throughout the body. But the point where when oxygen reaches inside the cell, it is diffusion. For diffusion, each and every cell should be in contact with atmosphere as unicellular organism do. Only by the diffusion it respirates. But this is not possible in case of multicellular organism. Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why. Now, start to read from here. We studied the point which is written above it. Wait.
Ma'am, from since the aerobic
Yes, yes,
respiration.
yes, yes.
Since the aerobic respiration pathway depends on oxygen, aerobic organisms need to ensure that there is sufficient intake of oxygen. We have seen that plants exchange gases through stomata, and the large intercellular spaces ensure that all cells are in contact with the air.
Hmm.
Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged by diffusion here. They can go into cells or away from them out into the air. The direction of diffusion depends upon the environmental conditions and the requirements of the plant. At night, when there is no photosynthesis occurring, carbon dioxide elimination is the major exchange activity going on. During the day, carbon dioxide generated during respiration is used up for photosynthesis. Hence, there is no carbon dioxide release. Instead, oxygen release is the major event at this time. Animals have evolved different organs for the uptake of oxygen from the environment and for getting rid of the carbon dioxide produced. Terrestrial animals can breathe the oxygen in the atmosphere, but animals that live in water need to use the oxygen dissolved in water.
Oxygen
Since the
dissolved.
amount of dissolved
So,
oxygen
wait, wait,
is
wait. Tanya,
fairly low.
Tanya, activity 6.6.
Yes, ma'am. Observe fish in an aquarium. They open and close their mouths, and the gill slits, or the operculum which covers the gill slits, behind their eyes are also open and close. Are the timings of the opening and closings of the mouth and gill slits coordinated in some manner? Count the number of times the fish opens and closes its mouth in a minute. Compare this to the number of times you breathe in and out in a minute.
So, Tanya, you observed the respiration of fish. Sometimes you went to beach or anywhere.
Mom,
You
I have pet fish.
you have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So it opens mouth and closes it. Why? Because it
Is
encourages
breathing.
breathing.
Mom,
Diffusion.
I don't know if they say this in science, but they say that the longer we breathe, it's better for us, right? That's
Yes.
why animals like certain tortoises live for several hundreds
Se-
of years, and animals that breathe very fast have a
yes.
short lifespan.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, what breathing process? This is our life process completely. So tortoise take very slow breathing. Very slow. We studied the story of rabbit and tortoise also here, and the tortoise, its working
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very slow, but it lives a long because proper oxygen goes inside the body. Tanya, yesterday it was yoga day, international yoga day. You know about
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
during
ma'am.
during yoga practices, sometimes every time they say take a deeper inhale, deeper exhale, due to which all oxygen goes inside the body. In our daily routine, in our hectic schedule, what we do, we don't focus on our breathing. Simply we take, it will not go inside our lungs. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's it. Now continue.
Um, Since the amount of dissolved oxygen is fairly low compared to the amount of oxygen in the air, the rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much faster than that seen in terrestrial organisms. Fishes take in water through their mouths and force it through past the gills, where the dissolved oxygen is taken up by blood.
blood. Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Next.
Terrestrial organisms use the oxygen in the atmosphere for respiration. This oxygen is absorbed by different organs in different animals. All these organs have a structure that increases the surface area, which is in contact with the oxygen rich atmosphere. Since the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide has to take place across the surface, this surface is very fine and delicate. In order to protect this surface, it is usually placed within the body, so there have to be passages that will take air to this area. In addition, there is a mechanism for moving the air in and out of this area where the oxygen is absorbed.
Are you getting it? We already discussed
Yes,
this
ma'am.
point. Should I repeat?
No, ma'am, I understood.
Okay.
In human beings, air is taken into the body through the nostrils. The air passing through the nostrils is filtered by fine hairs that line the passage. The passage is also lined with mucus, which helps in the process. From here, the air passes through the throat and into the lungs. Rings of cartilage are present in the throat. These ensure that the air passage does not collapse.
I,
Within the lungs,
uh, Tanya, I seen your test paper and
yes,
I observed you got this question as an objective type question in your test paper.
yes, ma'am, it's incomplete cartilaginous rings.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Uh, I'm sure that in physics
Huh.
MCQ I'll lose marks, so I just wanna confirm two bio MCQs, ma'am. Now,
Okay. So after 5 minutes, I will let you know
okay,
after completing
yes,
this
ma'am.
one. Yes. More to know.
Yes, ma'am. Within the lungs, the passage
Wait.
divides.
Tanya, more to know.
Oh, using tobacco directly or any product of tobacco in the form of cigar, cigarettes, bidis, hookah, gutka, etc. is harmful. Use of tobacco most commonly affects the tongue, lungs, heart, and liver. Smokeless tobacco is also a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes, pulmonary diseases, and several forms of cancers. There is a high incidence of oral cancer in India due to the chewing of tobacco in the form of gutka. Stay healthy, just say no to tobacco and its
And
products.
its product. Got it? There is no need to tell it again.
How does it cause cancer? Ma'am?
Because it combines, actually when we take tobacco, okay, so its particles goes inside our body during
Yes,
inhalation.
ma'am.
Oxygen is not pure, it goes to our blood.
So it damages the hairs that the nose hairs that help
Yes,
filter the air.
definitely. Actually it completely affects our respiratory tract, so mouth, nasal cavity. Okay, when
Yes.
these days when we go to see the movie, so first advertisement, you observed,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is no tobacco, mouth cancer anyone is having. So it combines with oxygen. So Tanya, now main human respiratory system. Firstly, we will observe the diagram. You will prepare the diagram also.
Yes, ma'am.
This one is, I will highlight, you will tell. This one is,
Nasal passage.
and after that,
We have mouth cavity.
after that,
Pharynx.
then
Larynx. Ma'am,
yes,
larynx is the
yes.
voice box, right?
Wait, good. I was going to tell the same thing. Next,
Trachea.
trachea. This one, very good.
Ma'am, the
Next,
trachea is made of a thin membrane. That's why it should not collapse while air is passing in and out. That's why we have the cartilaginous rings.
yes, thin membrane. Correct. Next,
Rings of cartilage.
rings of cartilage. Here we can observe rings of cartilage. Next,
We have lungs,
we have lungs, which
then
is
ribs
inside the
covering the lungs.
lungs are inside the rib
Ribs,
cage.
rib cage.
These are ribs, and this one is
Then after trachea, it passes to the bronchi, which divides into bronchioles.
bronchial
Then we have alveoli.
sac. So
Alveolar.
when we respirate, when we inhale oxygen, due to this path, it goes inside and then it is divided and mixed with blood.
Yes, ma'am.
And then this blood is pumped to,
The blood vessels to all the cells of the body.
firstly to the heart, then heart pump
Huh.
it to the all part of the body. In this way, circular system is formed.
Yes.
Tanya, you have to prepare this diagram.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Do you know?
Do you know smoking is injurious to health? Lung cancer is one of the most common causes of deaths in the world. The upper part of the respiratory tract is provided with small hair like structures called cilia.
Hmm.
These cilia help to remove germs, dust, and other harmful particles from inhaled air. Smoking destroys these hair, due to which germs, dust, smoke, and other harmful chemicals enter the lungs and
Lungs
cause inflammation.
infection, cough, and
Where exactly is
Tanya.
cilia present, ma'am? In all parts of trachea
Hmm.
or
Lung cancer, are you asking?
ma'am? Cilia, ma'am.
Cilia, it's a small hair-like structure. In respiratory tract, we are having.
So it's present in trachea as well as
Yes,
pharynx and
yes. In respiratory tract, it is provided with a small hair-like structure called cilia. And the main function of cilia to remove germs, dust, and other harmful particles from inhaled air. As I told you, Tanya, when we inhale air, we are taking it from atmosphere. In atmosphere, all things are present. So it is necessary that oxygen should be separated from this air.
yes,
So
ma'am.
the function of cilia is the same. But
So it separates oxygen,
yes, oxygen and other
dust
oxygen,
particles.
yes. And when we exhale, all comes out with carbon dioxide.
Yes, ma'am.
But what happens, Tanya, if you know during smoking, cilia, it likes burning, है ना? Cilia burns, then it will not separate harmful germs, dust, harmful particles. They definitely affect our respiratory tract. In this case, lung cancer occurred.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, Tanya, what is cancer? Cancer is like something is spoiling, or multiple division of cell.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why there is blockage in the path. Our body will not function properly.
Mm,
Are you getting the point?
yes, ma'am.
So human respiratory system will continue tomorrow, and after that circulatory system, अभी तो है circulatory, transportation and excretion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask you the MCQs?
Yes, you can ask.
Two bio MCQs, ma'am. If
Give me one sec.
I thought I won't lose marks in bio.
You got your marks or not?
No, ma'am. But I was discussing with friends. I thought if I did physics bad, I should at least score. Should